Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, verify tracking services are active and that you know the laptop serial number and account email. Next, use your phone to log into the vendor tracking portal and push a remote lock message with contact info. This prevents casual access and displays your return instructions. While locked, check the last reported GPS or IP location and note the timestamp. Once done, take a screenshot of the location data and prepare the serial number for reporting. This saves time in the next steps. Once you have a location or IP, refine it by checking router logs for the laptop's MAC or DHCP lease. This is how you confirm it was on your network. Then, use timeline tools like Google Location History or your security app to map movements. Make a short list of likely places. Simultaneously, contact building security and nearby businesses to review CCTV and physical lost and found. Make sure to note exact times and share the serial number. This speeds verification and possible recovery. If the laptop is nearby and safe to retrieve, coordinate a meeting in a public, secure place and bring ID. If not, initiate a remote wipe to protect data and immediately change passwords and 2FA on key accounts. Then, file a police report with serial, timestamps, and location/IP evidence and inform your employer or insurer. If the device goes offline, set alerts for when it reconnects. Troubleshooting tip: if you cannot locate it, keep monitoring the tracking portal and recheck router logs. Many devices appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.